Before installing an AP, check the type and specifications of the installation scenario to determine the installation method and required materials. In the scenarios such as airports, stations, and factories, steel structures are typically used. APs can be mounted on the steel beam on a building's ceiling. This video provides instructions on how to mount an AP on a steel beam using steel ropes. Prepare appropriate tools and protective gear before installation, as the installation position may be high. Only experts wearing protective gear can perform installation. Beam mounting requires a 7 mm mounting bracket and steel wire ropes. Steel wire ropes need to be separately purchased. Fix the mounting bracket on the beam by using 2 steel wire ropes. The Group J holes are recommended. Tighten the steel wire ropes. Connect the cable to the correct interface on the AP. Clamp the AP on the mounting bracket. Ensure that the 4 rubber feet on the rear of the AP fit into the mounting holes. Slide the AP slowly. When you hear a click sound from the release lever, the AP is properly installed. Bundle the cable on the beam by using plastic ties to keep it orderly. Check the installation and request qualified commissioning personnel to power on and commission the AP.